Hey everybody, it's Neil. Let's see what we got from Chubby Cable here. I know what we got, but I'm going to show you guys what we got here. So they have a lovely box, and they always have the best little containers here. These are always great for traveling and stuff. I put my wires in it. Actually, this one here, I'm probably going to end up putting my toothbrush in and stuff, just as a nice thing. And check out this cable in here. This is a, oh man, it's so soft. Okay, it's a soft rubber cable. I don't know if you guys can see from there. I don't know if it's going to focus very well, but look at this cable. It's really nice, and it's super strong, and it's a USB-C, which is great because, you know, everything's, all my little nuggets are USB-C, and then the end is lightning, so it's going to work with my iPhone 14. I haven't upgraded to the 15 yet, so it's it. But this is a nice flexible cable. It's got this little piece in the middle. I'm not sure exactly what that's for. It's kind of interesting, though. Have to figure that out, but it doesn't twist on there, or maybe it does. Maybe it's for just different angles and stuff. But how cool is that? It's a very nice cable, super strong. I mean, this is Chubby cables are, I haven't had a single one of them break. All my other cables I get, they all break. This one here, I'm going to show you guys this one here. This is broken. I don't know. It was a Apple. I think this one was the Apple official one. It's already broken. I don't know why I'm saving it. Oh, I know why, because I'm going to cut it up and use the wires for something. But so super, these are the best, man. Chubby Cable makes the best cables, and they are just super well made. They look beautiful. Whenever I have these ones, you know, this one here I'll probably use from my computer to my phone. Whenever I have these, if I'm at the office, people are like, man, that cable is so weird looking. But I'm like, this is the best cable. It lasts for forever. And then they buy them because everybody wants one like this. And and it just wraps up so nice. And I love the way it's got this the little wrapper on it, because you just wrap it up, and you can just twist it around. And sorry, I'm doing it fast on the video, but you just see it goes like that way there. So it just makes it so nice and convenient. They don't get twisted up. They don't get tangled. It's just Chubby Cable all the way. So definitely pick yourself up Chubby Cables. They are the best. So thumbs up from me on that.